Hey there guys, it's me Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to use a counterfeit detection pen or marker like so. Now if you want to pick some of these up, these are really cheap. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get these off of Amazon, but to use them they're very simple. All you need is, this is for US currency, of course, as you can see, but you take your pen and all you're going to do is you're just going to mark it across the face of the bill. Now this works for all the bills the same, but I'm just got different denominations just to show you. So you're just going to mark it across the bill just like so. And as you can see, since the mark stayed gold, that means it is a legitimate note. Now what we will show you is what would happen if it was just printed on computer paper or something of that sort. What it's going to do is this ink is going to start gold, but then it will turn black very quickly. Just like so. You see that? Show you again. And again, that means it's fake versus gold on the bill is real. Now, also one thing to note is just because this shows up gold doesn't mean the bill is real. It means the paper is real. So the reason I told you that is some people, what they'll do is they'll take a lower denomination note, say example a $10 bill, they'll bleach the ink off of it so it will be real paper, and then they'll print a $100 bill on top of it. So it's real paper, but it's still a counterfeit bill because it was only a $10 value, but now it's $100. So you also need to make sure that you're checking your watermarks as well and making sure the president in the watermark matches the president on here, or the president or whichever person is on the bill. But that is how you guys use a pen. Like I said, if you want some of these, down below will be a link to them on Amazon. I also have some other videos that give you some other detection techniques. Sorry about that. Some other detection techniques like black lights and others. You can go ahead and check those links out in the description or on these end screens that are showing up on screen now. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video, and I will talk to you later. Peace out.